Hier 'n ingeskrewe sirkel vir die driehoek, né? It's called an inscribed circle. What is in? In means where? On the inside. So ons wil nou 'n sirkel teken wat presies binne in daai ding pas. We want to draw a circle that fits perfectly into this thing. Unaku, can you quickly put your phone here by me until the end of the period, please? Okay. Unaku in the front, okay, not this Unaku, on the other Unaku. Okay, you can, yeah, you can get it afterwards, please. Okay, right, so if you want to work, do this the best. Open up your compass as big as possible. Okay, open it up here and put it exactly on that corner. Accuracy is of utmost importance. Open it nice and big. Draw an arc at the top, draw an arc at the bottom, place it on that line there where the two intersect, but once again make sure it's accurate. Draw another arc, put it on that line there, draw another arc, and where the two lines connect, you draw a line through that point. So there's the first one. You have to make sure that it runs perfectly through that point. If it's half a millimeter off, it's going to influence your accuracy. I'm going to do the same thing with that bigger corner there at the top. Gaan hom lekker groot oopmaak, even bigger. Going to draw an arc on this line. Going to draw an arc on this line. So the two lines here, I'm going to draw one there, one there. Gaan hom hier so neersit. Draw an arc here at the one side. I put it on that corner there. Make sure it's on the line exactly. Draw another one over here. And so I'm going to show again. It's this one. I draw it through there. I placed it there. Drew an arc here. I placed it there. I drew an arc here. Now from that point to that corner I'm going to draw a line. Okay, now you can do this with any two of them, and where the two lines connect you can put your compass exactly in the middle there. And like I said, accuracy is important. If you open it up to the side, it should fit in. If you work accurately, it should fit into this triangle. Sien julle daar, hy pas in. Now this thing is very sensitive. If you're half a millimeter or a quarter of a millimeter out, it won't fit in there. Okay, I've had it many times that it doesn't fit in. So what's the solution? Open your compass nice and big. The margin for error is less than. This is een ding, and I stay away from the sharp corner here. This is an acute angle, because with an acute angle it's more difficult to get an accurate line there. So ek gebruik die twee grootste hoeke in die driehoek, and I just do the same thing there. Okay, I want you guys to quickly do this. The second one, you can do that so long. The second one, I'll upload it in a moment. By this one, you are not going to bisect the corners. You are going to bisect the lines. Gaan dit gou weer sê. By hierdie een halveer jy twee hoeke, enige twee. By hierdie ene halveer ek enige twee lyne. So hoe doen ek dit? Soos wat julle die driehoek geteken het, maak hom lekker groot oop. Trek 'n boogie hierdie kant en onder. Hy hardloop nou so bietjie oor my ander tekening. Ek sit hom hierso. Trek 'n lyntjie daar van een kant tot die ander kant. Maak seker hy's daar. Maak seker hy's daar. Trek hy lyntjie deur. Doen dit met nog een ander lyntjie. I'm gonna bisect this one over here. Of my boogie hierso trek. Okay, hy's dalk 'n bietjie groot. Maak hom bietjie kleiner. Daarso. Aan die kant, ek weet nie of hy gaan inpas, I'm not sure if it's gonna fit in. Daarso. En ook hierso. Ek gaan weer wys. So I use the same line, I mark off this side and the other side of the line, hierso. So sit ek hom daarso op daai hoekie, kap hom hier af, kap hom daar af en deur daai twee punte daarso. En daarso trek ek my lyntjie. Ons sien hy gaan nie daar deur daai hoekie nie. Right. En nou waar die twee lyne mekaar ontmoet, where the two lines connect in the middle, put your compass there. Open it up to any corner and you will see that it will fit in perfectly. Okay, so I see mine is slightly off there. What does that mean? What does that mean? Means that I worked slightly inaccurate somewhere. Okay, so yeah, we have to make sure that we work super accurate. Sometimes it's just not exactly in the middle. Okay, dan moet jy maar net weer gaan check. Let's just check again. Daar's hy. Sometimes it's like a quarter of a millimeter. Okay, look there. Just a quarter of a millimeter. There it works out. Okay. Alright. Dan laaste dingetjie. So I want you guys to do these two. Net gou vinnig weer. Hoe doen ons dit? In this one, I bisect any one of the two corners. Okay, so hierso het ek my passe daar gesit. I put my compass here. I drew an arc there. And there, place my compass with the same radius there, marked it off here, placed it there, marked it off there, drew it through that point to get it. In this one, I placed my compass there, use another pencil, placed it there, open it up on a random size, open up there, marked it off here, marked it off there, placed my compass there, drew an arc here, placed it there, drew an arc there, and I drew it through that point where the two lines intersect. There's my point. If it's inside, you're going to do it like this, bisect the angles. If it's on the outside, remember it like this. Outside of the drawing is the lines, on the inside is the corners. So if you want it around the thing, bisect the lines. If you want it inside, bisect any two angles. Right, doen dit gou vinnig vir my.